This is the viscera of left and right kidney and abdominal aorta and its branches. The upper pole of both kidney is medial to the midline and lower pole of both kidney is away from the midline. The left kidney is slightly higher than right kidney. The anterior surface is convex. Now, this is right kidney, this is left kidney, this is abdominal aorta and its branches. Presenting part of kidney. Kidney has two poles. This is upper pole, this is lower pole. Two surfaces. This is anterior surface, this is posterior surface. Two border. This is medial border, this is lateral border. Medial border is marked by hilum. This is hilum of left kidney, this is hilum of right kidney. The relation of hilum, that is renal vein, renal artery and pelvis of ureter. This is abdominal aorta, the branches of abdominal aorta. This is celiac trunk. This is superior mesenteric artery. This is inferior mesenteric artery. This is right and left common iliac artery. This is